This team is electric. We're a team that competitors fear. We come out of nowhere and shock the other teams in the WAC.
The bowling team is basically one big family. Like anything I need, mentally, physically, the coaches are always there, your teammates are always there, and it's just a great environment to be in, especially if you are just starting college and you're new to it.
The school's small, so you get to know pretty much everyone, and it's great to build relationships.
My coaches are absolutely amazing. They've brought out a different competitor in me that I never had before. They've changed my skills in so many different ways, and they always believe in me no matter what.
Coming into college bowling, it's a whole different experience from high school. I think the bonds as a team are a lot stronger. It's different formats, and we get to travel, and the level of competition is a lot higher. We're here for each other as one team, one goal, one purpose, and we try to push each other and just truly bring out the best in one another.